Welcome to Video Blast number 2. Today's installment is going to be about opportunity. Now, as you know, on Wednesday night, we spoke about problems and how problems cause projects. Well, really, it's kind of a play on words, is that really projects solve problems. And to get to that solution, though, there's a lot that needs to happen. And so today I wanted to talk briefly about opportunity. Now, one of the things that's really interesting about opportunity as we think about it is look at yourself on one side of a bridge. And on that side of the bridge, you have a problem. And kind of go back to our discussion on the glass half full, glass half empty discussion. And you remember, if the glass is half empty, you got a pretty bad problem. And if you continue to look at that glass as half empty, that problem's not going to go away. However, if you look at that problem with the glass half full, well, you're looking at opportunity. You're looking at, yeah, you know, there's a way that I can figure out that I can solve the situation and get that glass to be full again, right? And so that's what we're trying to do when we think about opportunity. So as it relates to the problem, well, opportunity is that vision, right? You remember I talked to you about being a design engineer for Disneyland, and so many of their so-called titles are Imagineers, right? They imagine and they engineer through their imagination. Well, as project managers, that's what we do too. We Imagineer, shall I say it again, Imagineer the project work. So we look for solutions. So we're looking to where we're going to find the water to bring that glass half full. And that looking, that figuring out, if you will, that planning is essentially a project. And so opportunity only becomes real when we can develop a solution, execute on that solution, and deliver. Just as you recall when we went back and talked about the postal carrier and him or her delivering on those packages. Well, that's what we're doing, is we're delivering on opportunity, and we're making a sense, in a sense, we're making opportunity and making opportunity become a reality, right? And we do that through project work. And so as project managers, through the planning and through the execution and through the delivery of the project package, we're able to then deliver results and deliver upon those opportunities. So if you think back to some of the examples I gave in the initial lecture and Video Blast number 1, we talked about what the household person who was answering the front door was receiving. It could have been an iPhone, it could have been a nice toy. And I wanted you to think about what was their reaction, what were they going to be receiving, what were they expecting in that package when they opened it. And you can pretty much believe that when they opened that package, that the opportunity to communicate, right, with the iPhone, or the opportunity to play with a toy became real. And what did it deliver upon? Well, if it was a toy, the opportunity became the reality, and the problem was maybe there was a child that didn't have any toys. So now that they have that toy, they can experience fun, they can experience the great pleasure of using that toy and learning and of education. So that's the result, right? Learning or education. When you think about that iPhone, the opportunity there, it was the need for the ability to communicate. So when they opened that package from the postal carrier, they got the iPhone. So the opportunity to be able to communicate became a reality. And with that communication, they can talk to family. They can use their iPhone for work and be able to get things done. And to work, perhaps they're project managers and they can work on that project. So that's what I want you to think about in this VIBL number 2, is think about how opportunity is important to projects, and how opportunities through solutions, those solutions being the project that you would plan and execute and deliver, would deliver on opportunity and make those opportunities a reality. So that's Videocast, or I should say Video Blast number 2. I hope you enjoyed it and look forward to sharing with you Video Blast number 3. Have a great day, guys.